She fine. She fine. Looking at myself in the viewfinder. I was gonna say in the rear view mirror. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Crystal, aka Crystal Reynoso Makeup on Instagram. I'm so excited for today's video, you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see. I mean, you're seeing the final look now, so you already know how it's gonna look, but girl, stay tuned to the end of the video because I have a giveaway for you. This is the look that I'll be creating today using some new products. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you guys can get notified every single time I post a new video. Did you guys see my intro? Girl, it's bomb, huh? I know. I was so excited. So excited for the intro. So yeah, this is my first time trying these products that I bought here today, but you know, to complement the look, I did go ahead and use the Colourpop Pretty Fresh primer and foundation and concealer, and then I went ahead and I set my face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose setting powder in vanilla. But I'll have all the products that I use linked down below. I'm gonna open up the package right here. It says Colourpop. How cute. I love their font. I really love it. Oh, nice packaging. Like, they made sure that none of this was going to break. This is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade 20H1. That's what it says right there. Do you see that? By the way, little disclaimer, I did purchase these products all on my own. None of this was sent to me. Okay, so right here I have the Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade Always Sunny. Let me open this and give you a swatch. Oh my gosh. This is hella pretty. Alright, so, okay, so it's like a brush applicator. So it's just a clear gloss with some reflex in it. Let me go ahead and swatch the eyeshadow for you guys. I know I didn't do that. I was just gonna go ahead and dip into it and start a look. Cute little packaging. I've never used any of their products before, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys on the back of my hand. Ooh, sis, seriously? I think the lighting in here is not giving you justice. By the way, guys, look at the packaging. So freaking cute. I love the whole sunflower scheme. I got 2 palettes because I'm gonna give one away to you guys. It's tiny. Oh my gosh, but how cute. This is what the little packaging looks like, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Oh my gosh, this is so lovely. How adorbs. These shades are so beautiful. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them for you guys on my arm, and then I'll just show you them after I swatch them. So these are the colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eye by using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh concealer. I am so excited to try these colors, you guys. Honestly, I don't know what colors I'm gonna be using yet, but we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the shade Sun Giant, this one right here. There's quite a bit of kickback, but honestly, I'm not bothered by kickback at all. So, I mean, it doesn't bother me. And I'm just packing this color on. So far, it's pretty pigmented. I was actually just gonna do like the simplest look ever, but then I opened up the palette and I seen the colors and I was like, we're not doing simple today, girl. You guys ever do that where you're like, oh, I'm just gonna do a simple look today? Not. You end up like with a full blown out glitter cut crease. So So much for keeping it simple, huh? Alright. So far, this applied very nicely. Very blendable, very creamy. I'm going to go in with the shade Vibey with a Morphe M506 blending brush and just start blending it out. Look at that. Shook. Deceased. This is crazy, you guys. This palette wasn't even expensive, and I think that's why I'm so shook. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the color Suns Out, this white one right here, so that way the transition looks cleaner. Still going back in with the other color. I'm just going back and forth, back and forth. Still haven't figured out what I want to do with my lid, so I think that's why I'm going back and forth. Okay, babes, so I went ahead and cut my crease using the Colourpop concealer once again, and now I'm just going to go ahead and pack this color on right here. So I went ahead and grabbed a detailed brush and picked up that dark brown shade and just aligned my eye with it. Just like that. I did find a little bit of fallout under my eyes while I was doing that, but again, like I said, it doesn't bother me. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up this color right here in the color Sunnies. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try this one. And I'm gonna pack it right here. Ooh. How pretty. No way. I'm gonna dip in the color Chillin'. This little burgundy-ish tone right here. And I'm picking up like an angled packing brush, just like this. I'm going to go ahead and apply this right here. And I'm not really going to blend it. I'm kind of just packing it because I can tell already that once I blend this yellow shade out, no shade, it's going to lose the pigment like most yellow eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna pack it. Alright, I'm going back in with a dark brown because I'm gonna blend the dark brown into this color now. Okay, you guys, so I just figured out that this eyeshadow right here, this Super Shock Shadow, is in the color Harmony. I guess it just wasn't showing through the box, so I couldn't see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my brush. And I'm going to pick up this color right here. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I could already see that this is just going to pop. And I'm going to put it right here in my inner tear duct. So taking another M506 brush, I'm just going to blend these two colors together. I'm just going to blend all the colors together actually. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close my curtains because the sun is coming right here in my face and I know that this doesn't look good, so hold on. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. I apologize for the sun peeking through the way it is. I'm right by my window, my curtains are closed, and there's absolutely nothing I can do. So I do apologize for that. But now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the shade Limon Cielo, I believe. If I'm wrong, correct me. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the bottom part of my eye. So you know what, I just decided I'm going to go ahead and pick up that little burgundy-ish color, this color that I used right here in between. And I am going to also apply that here. So now I'm taking the darker brown and I'm applying that under my eyes as well. just at the outer corner. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and applied my lippy, bronzer, and blush off camera. I do have another product here that I do want to share with you guys and use. Benefit Brow Micro Filling Pen. And I have this in the shade Deep Brown. So I have it right here, and this is what she looks like, you know, typical bomb ass Benefit packaging, always so stunning. So this is what the felt tip looks like. I really like this one a lot. It's supposed to create the illusion of a natural brow with 3 ultra fine lines in a single stroke, designed to blend in with existing hairs. It fills in gaps and makes brows appear where before were none. 24-hour long wear, waterproof, smudge proof, easy to apply, and natural looking. Alright sis, you got me. Let's get it. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to give me some natural looking brows. And I'm kind of just like flicking it up. And then right here, I'll just go with my brow because, oh, super natural. This is super fast and efficient, girl. Look at that. Look at that brow. Wow. I'm looking in the viewfinder. So damn bomb, you guys. Okay, let me do the other eye. Okay, girl, I went ahead and applied lashes and mascara. I will link them down below just in case you're wondering which lashes I'm using. Alrighty, so again, this is in the color Always Sunny. So yeah, let's just apply this. Oh, oh damn, girl. Ooh, okay. What does it smell like? It smells like, I don't know, but it smells good. I'm gonna do something a little crazy here. So let's just try using this as a highlight. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit because I don't want it to turn my face yellow, which it kind of is, but I'm honestly living for it. Let's wet the brush a bit. I know that really intenses it. I'm crazy for this, huh? I'm gonna walk outside and my face is gonna be all yellow. I'm gonna go to Walmart right now. Ooh, girl, look at that. That is so pretty. I really don't care. It's just so pretty. I use any fluffy blending brush. This one doesn't have a number on it because it's from a set, but it is from Morphe. Oh my god, Colourpop and Benefit came the fuck through today. Wow, I am mind blown. Like, I'm shook. Let me just spray my face one more time. Hold on, I cannot. Okay, all-nighter spray. Okay. Alright, my loves. So, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my thoughts, and I will also be letting you know the prices on each product that I purchased. So yeah, all right, so we're just gonna go ahead and jump straight into the eyeshadow. This is the Super Shocked shadow in the color Harmony. So this shadow does run for $6, which I think is completely amazing. I love Colourpop for their prices, you guys. They're so inexpensive. $6 for a freaking shimmer, ass shadow like this, you guys. Definitely worth my coin. So I definitely love it, and I did use it as a highlight like you guys seen, and it's not too crazy. It goes with the whole look because I did use it for my inner corner as well. So I think this is so pretty. The gloss right here does run for $7, which that is totally affordable. And it's a glass-like shine with subtle shimmer and sheer tint, enriched with jojoba. Okay, I don't know how to say this. Jojoba, jojoba oil to moisturize, nourish, and provide a cushiony feel for juicy, fuller looking lips. Sheer with golden pinpoints. Okay, so that's what it is, but it still doesn't say the scent that it is, so I still can't tell you guys, sorry. But I think this is such a beautiful gloss. A lot of glosses that I get aren't as shiny as this, so I really like this. And so for this eyeshadow palette, there is 9 different colors, and they are also beautiful. You guys seen in the beginning of the video that I swatched them for you guys. I think this palette is such a cute palette to have. I think it's perfect for all year round. So this palette retails for $14 for 9 eyeshadows that work bomb. I would say it's definitely worth your coin. And also, you guys, I do want to let you guys know that these products are cruelty free and vegan. And then for this as well, this runs for $25. I am super shook at this, honestly. I think this is my new favorite brow product. I probably will be using this every day. So I'm just so obsessed with the tip. Like I showed you guys, it's super separated. I have tried other ones like this, and the tip is not like this. So this is the only tip that I like so far. And girl, it's 24-hour wear. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a new video. I do have this little palette here that I want to give away to you guys just as a thank you for supporting my little YouTube channel that I have going on right now. You know, I know I'm like not no one famous or anybody special, but I just want to come on here and say thank you guys so much. So this is my thank you to you guys. Just go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I will announce the winner on Instagram. So yeah, if you want this palette, go ahead and do that right now. Go ahead, I'll give you a minute. Just comment down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.